Motlatsa Mopresidente Paul Mashatile o boleletse batho ba neng ba tlile tshebeletsong ya lepato la Mohwebi Tiego Moseneke ka motswalle wa hae wa nako e telele a nto sebedisana go le motsotso ho teka boipiletso ba kopano le ntšhafatso ya ANC ho pola Tiego.
He was urging us that going forward, let's continue that way, continue to build ourselves as a united people, and we take that message to heart.
Motswalle wa Moseneke e leng advocate Dalimpofu o re ho hlokahala ha Tiego ke tahlelo e kgolo ba aing ba naha.
The loss is very, very personal. He was the brother, literally the brother that I never had. And we've shared so many special moments. This was probably the sharpest intellect I had ever met. And it is true that he could pierce and discuss any topic, any subject. Cared very deeply about his people, cared very deeply about his organization, the ANC.
Moholwane wa Moseneke e le motlatsi wa mehleng wa moahlodi e moholo Dikga Moseneke o ile a bua ka moo ba neng ba atisa ho sekaseka puo ya setjhaba ya mopresidente le hore ho hlokehang ho fihlella serithi sa baahi bohle ba naha.
He would call me and Koketso would wait there patiently. Somehow she knew it was going to happen. And she would wait there as Tiego talks to me and says, Abuti, let's talk about renewal. Let's talk about renewal. Forget about my movement. He was quite sensitive, by the way. If you get close to his movement, then he fights back, okay?
Lelapa le rerile o tlotla Moseneke ka ho ngola buka ka yena.